Like any other truck, SUV, crossover, or hybrid shopper, what you want is simple. A reasonable finance rate and just a little bit of payment relief. Well, folks, the Sunset Auto family's been listening, and they've done something about it. In cooperation with Sound Credit Union, the Sunset Auto family announces 3.99% APR financing for 36 months on new and pre-owned vehicles. And get this, you'll have up to 90 days before your first payment. You heard correctly. A low finance rate you haven't seen in a long time, combined with 90 days deferred first payment. Or you can even get extended term financing for up to 84 months at a slightly higher rate. Makes you feel like a kid in a candy store, doesn't it? Look, it's not what you pay, it's what you get, and you just get more at Sunset. Like warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle. Visit any Sunset dealership in person or online at sunsetautofamily.com. You just get more at Sunset, like 3.99% APR financing and no payments for up to 90 days. And people do like that.